Hi everyone, this is a 2024 Mazda 3. Right now, we're going to upgrade the exhaust system. We're going to use the HKS Liga exhaust. This is on stock exhaust. We're going to rev, and after we're going to install the new muffler. Boss, please rev. Okay. Now, we're going to install this beautiful HKS with carbon fiber tip. Installed already the exhaust. Start the engine, boss. Please rev. It's off, boss. We have all types of exhaust system for your specific unit. Feel free to message me here at PRS. Because stock is boring, guys. See you here. Bye!